Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader. It's Wednesday, December 2nd. These are the charts of the day. A couple new ones and a couple old ones, but certainly most of these stocks that we're going to look at are in motion right now. Biofuel Energy is a new one we've been watching recently that had a big breakout yesterday, jumping to the tune of 73 cents or 37.8%. Today, another 34%, up 75% just in 2 days. A clear breakout from this basing pattern across key resistance and followed up to our secondary resistance right here. Now, it may need a period of backing and flagging and resting, but certainly has some excellent potential. Let's look at a little bit longer term pattern. As you can see, the stock did come down from the 11-12 range and has ample room to run, with my next trading target up around the 5 level, and beyond that something perhaps in the 6-7 range is doable, 6.5, 7. Moving on, Cardtronics, CATM, a stock we talked about before. I believe it's on our Fab 40 list. As you can see, in a beautiful rising channel. Take a look at the current pattern. In a nice little coil or narrowing pattern here near its moving averages. The volume has surged the last 3 days, so has price. Today it broke out with a vengeance. Went to what looks like a new multi-year high. Actually, it's an all-time high. So there's very little, if any, overhead resistance. And with the top of this channel measuring something upwards towards 20 plus, this stock has a lot of room to run. China Green, CGA, had a real strong day today, up $1.33 or 8%. As you can see, climbing out of this little mini flag that I was in, with volume surging and technical surging. Looks like a measured move could take this one as high as the high 20s to 30 range. CWST, I want to point that one out because after the breakout from a 4-month trading range exploded, it's now forming a beautiful bull pennant or bull wedge and low volume, great technicals. I'm looking for a breakout that takes us up near 5. Beyond that, long term, the stock looks like it has room to be a $6 or $7 stock, maybe higher. DSW, formerly known as Designer Shoe Warehouse, broke out of a beautiful Head and Shoulders 1-year base, and since then it's been motoring ahead in a rising channel. Currently, the pattern shows a 4 or 5 day flag trying to break out. If it does make a move out of here, I'd be looking for something up towards the 29 range. Very possible for DSW. Heat has been a beautiful trading stock for us. After the pop in mid-November, it flagged for 6-7 days, broke out yesterday and followed through today with another 92-cent gain. Top of the channel measures around the $18 range, 18.5, and that's what my next trading target is going to be on Heat. KMGB is absolutely motoring, making new highs nearly every day for the last 2-3 weeks. Now reaching near the top of the mid-range, but 22 is our target short term, and with the technicals and volume surging, it could very well make that in a short period of time. Candy, one of my current favorites, broke out of this flag was in and has made 5 consecutive new 52-week highs in the last 5 days. Not getting ahead of itself, but in an orderly, nice advance. Looks like the top of this calls for something around the 6 3/4, maybe 7 range short term. I have a target at 745, but I like the technicals surging and a full green balance of power, money stream, and OBV at the top of the windows. Augurs well for Candy, KNDI. LIWA, we traded that one today. Had a big winner today, up 33%, 277 on 2.7 million, the heaviest volume since its IPO. Broke across its declining tops line, which after this long 3-week consolidation, that's a very, very bullish technical event today. Looking for a move that takes us potentially up towards 14.5 thereabouts. Nanometrics, NANO, also broke out of a trading range consolidation here, picking up some volume late yesterday and coming on again today. It's already moved from 10 to 13.5 just in the last day and a half, but the top of the channel says possibilities exist. This is an $18 stock, so we'll look for a move that takes us up towards that level. QXM broke out of a wedge or a pennant today, coil, whatever you want to call it. Low volume ebb here, strong volume on the breakout. The stock has room to run. I could see it moving up towards the 6.5 range short term. Secondary target up around 8. SIGA Pharmaceuticals came out of a long trading range, 6 month, just the other day, backed off after reaching 10.08. 1009, and now maybe coming on again. We'll see. If this consolidation lasts much longer, it could result in a thrust that takes it up towards 11.5, 12 zone. That is my target on it. And that's the last stock for today. Hope you've enjoyed that and gotten some great ideas out of it. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Bond.